Y'all, I am so excited. I found this at TJ Maxx the other day and I cannot wait to use it. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have been seeing this all over the internet and I've been tempted to get one, but I just haven't bitten the bullet. However, I was in TJ Maxx the other day and they had several of these and they were only $6.99. So I thought, why not? So today I'm gonna try several different things that I've seen on social media and let's see how it goes. So if you don't have this mini waffle maker, then go to TJ Maxx and see if they have them. When I was there, I actually looked on the Amazon site just to see what the price would be on Amazon, because I've seen them like in Walmart, but I couldn't remember how much they were. So I checked on Amazon, and on Amazon they were $9.99. So I figured I would go ahead and get this one. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Very cute. I chose the red one. They did have other colors. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Now let me see what I want to cook first. All right, I have it heated. So I think the first thing I'm gonna try is a cookie, because you can't go wrong with a cookie. I don't really know how thick I should make it, or should I spread it out a little bit? I don't know. I'll spread it out a little bit and then stick it in there. Even if it's not big, I don't need a big one right now. So I'm just gonna put it there, close it, and see what happens. I think you're supposed to give it like 3 or 4 minutes, so we'll see. All right, it's been about 3 minutes, so let's see. I don't know, is it done? It's still a little soggy. Not soggy, but soft. Let me unplug it. I'm gonna let it sit there for minutes. Take this off and see how it tastes. If I can get underneath it. There you go. All right, it came up pretty easily. It's kind of brown, but this is what it looks like. All right, let's taste it. It's hot. Tastes like a cookie. It's got a good doneness to it. It worked. All right, what I think I'm gonna make now is kind of like a pita sandwich. I don't really know what you call it, but it's the little hack where you cut a tortilla, and I have a low-carb tortilla, and I'm just gonna cut down to like the middle, and then I'm gonna layer it with whatever I want. So I'm gonna start with a piece of provolone cheese. I actually have this one. I might need a little more. I've got a little piece of cheese, and I think I'm gonna make a breakfast little sandwich. So I've got some bacon. Then I have an egg, probably too big. And I think I'm just gonna use another slice of provolone, and I'm just going to fold it over again, and then fold it over one last time. So this is a little pocket, perfect for on the go. Now I'm just gonna put it in my waffle maker, close it. It's not gonna close all the way, clearly, but it's just gonna melt that cheese, and I'm gonna give it a couple minutes. Okay. I like the little marks. And I can hear the cheese sizzling in the bottom half. But there you go. You have a perfect little breakfast sandwich for on the go, and it's low carb. Now let's cut into it. Here you go. Doesn't that look good? All right, now I'm gonna eat it. Yum. Now for this one, I'm having to do a voiceover because I hated to keep asking my husband to mute the TV, but I'm gonna make a chaffle. And I've never made these before, but it was easy enough. You just use 1 egg, and I just kind of scrambled it, well, not scrambled it, but mixed it a little bit. Then you add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I mixed that in, and then you add 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, and you mix it all up really well. And this, like I said, I've never had a chaffle before, but this is, I've seen this all over social media for low carb substitution for bread. And so I figured I would give it a try. And this little recipe makes 2 of the chaffles in the mini waffle maker. And once the chaffles are the cheese and egg mixture, put it into the mini waffle maker, and I see most recipes call for it to be cooked for about 4 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm not gonna lie, this makes a mess. This first one actually made less of a mess than the second one. But now that it's been about 4 minutes, I'm gonna take this chaffle out. I've unplugged my waffle maker just so it doesn't keep cooking the chaffle. But you just remove the chaffle, and from what I've seen, you want to let it set, because the longer you let it set, kind of the, I guess, crispier it'll be. So I'm gonna let this one set while I make the other one. And for the second one, you just do, second verse, same as the first. The 2 chaffles that I made, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in my pan, and I'm gonna make a grilled cheese. I love grilled cheese sandwiches, so if this tastes good with no bread, then nice and fluffy? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I flipped it and added more butter, so now it's cooking on the other side. So it should be ready in just a minute. All right, it's out of the pan, so I'm gonna cut it in half because every good grilled cheese has to be cut in half, but it smells really good and I got a little bit of a cheese pull. So now let's taste it. All right. I just love the flavor of it, and that's what it tastes like. So, chaffle grilled cheese. And now it's time for me to clean up. I had already cleaned up a little bit before I started the camera and then realized I wanted to record me cleaning. So anyway, I'm just gonna get these dishes done, clean the stove, clean the counters, and then I will be done in the kitchen for the day. And if you have a little cleaning to do as well, then hopefully this will be just a little bit of motivation for you. One of these mini waffle makers and what is your favorite thing to make in it. If you're new to my channel and you like cooking videos, you like recipe ideas, home decor, home organization, and shopping hauls, I can show you the good deals that I find, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. Also, you'll be helping me reach my goal of 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I appreciate it so much. And if you are already part of my YouTube family, then thanks so much for your support and for stopping back by. And if you want more cooking videos, then make sure to click the box that you see now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.